Hey guys, it's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm definitely going to be getting into vlogging more, so I figured I would do a week in my life at college. Today is Sunday, November 25th, and I just came back from Thanksgiving break, so I got in last night at like 2 in the morning, and I woke up this morning pretty early, did some chores, got the room a little bit put together. This is what I'm wearing. Me and Angelique are gonna go get lunch off campus. There is literally no food options here open. Angelique's gonna drive us down to downtown Slow, and then I'm gonna treat her to lunch because she literally drives me everywhere. Let's go get Angelique. All right, Ange, you ready? Look how pretty it is out here. So nice. We literally have the best dorm ever. Love it so much. All right, we open the sunroof. We just got gelato! Yay. And we're at Giuseppe's in downtown Slow, so if you ever come, go to Giuseppe's. And come to Capoli, but it's fine. So I'm gonna do a quick little Black Friday haul. Gosh. Happy Black Friday! Alright. Still not working. Good camera. Good. Alright, so the first thing I got was this tank top from Brandy Melville. I also got this sweater. And then I also got this really cool long sleeve shirt. It zips like all the way up or down. It gets a little bit cooler in San Luis Obispo rather than like where I'm from. So I needed a bigger jacket, nothing too big. Obviously it's not snowing. It's definitely really warm and it's comfy. So that's all the clothing that I got, and now I'm going to show you guys the jewelry. So I got these earrings from Brandy Melville, this necklace from Francesca's. I think the deal was buy one get one 70% off. I also got these earrings from Francesca's, and then this really cool bracelet with a moon on it. And then I'm wearing two of the other things that I got. So I got this necklace from a cute little boutique where I'm from, and then I got this super cute bracelet from the same store as where I got this one from. Okay, we're gonna decorate for Christmas. Paige just got back. You guys ready for the Christmas tree lighting ceremony? 1, 2, 3. Ding! Ding. Okay, we're making snowflakes, and Paige doesn't know how to do it. I know, there's like a huge strand. Paige, that is not a snowflake. Oh my gosh. Mine versus yours. Yeah. Alright, we're heading down to the Ave. Study and eat some good french fries at Chick-fil-A.
We'll see it.
This is Sammy on an actual school day. I thought we could just zoom in real fast on this. It's Monday, so I have dance and that's it. No school other than that.
Wow, life is really hard for Sammy.
And I'm trying to write my whole speech today, so I would just practice that. That's what's going on.
Beautiful. And the roomie is getting work
grinding
done. Wow. And that is a day in my life.
So we made hot chocolate and we told the girl not to drink it on her bed, you know, for obvious reason.
No, wait. Who told you that?
Yeah, who told you that with that face mask?
As I said, I never spill.
Alright, we're going to initiation. We have white dresses on, long dresses, underneath our jacket. We're initiated! Oh, hi! We're official members.
Hi! Woo!
For life. This rat life.
Sorry. I came in at the perfect time. Oh my god.
You did. I just started the vlog, but we're back. She just did slating for Kappa. Hi guys. Today is Tuesday, November 27th, I think. I had class this morning from 9 to 12, and then I went to the library for about 2 hours. So it's a little bit past 2 right now, and I got a lot done, which is awesome. So I had 2 hours of comms this morning, and then I had an hour of journalism. So that was like my class schedule for this morning. Later today, I have an honors lecture for an hour and then a 2-hour econ lecture. So that's fun. I just cleaned up my room a little bit and practiced my speech, and now I'm heading to the gym to do a quick workout before my next class. So I'm gonna head over there right now. Cal Poly's Rec Center is really cool, and I just like did a lot of cardio and abs and legs and all of that, but now I'm in here to practice for my dance final. Today is Wednesday and we're actually having some good weather. It's raining and it's only our second day of rain here in SLO, so I'm excited about that. I had one class this morning and then I had dance for 2 hours and we're working on our final. I need to shower, get ready, practice my speech that is tomorrow. Not looking forward to that, but I am, so it can be over. I have 2 other assignments I need to get done today and then I'm going to volunteer, so that's kind of what my day looks like. Don't mind me, again, always looking rough. Just doing some workout in my room right now.
Oh no!
Avoiding my speech.
My AirPod just fell down!
I cannot help you with that. I got the yoga mat out and everything, of course. Hey guys, today is Thursday. I'm officially done with class. And I just had my big persuasive speech. I was pretty nervous, but I think I prepared well. I think the speech actually went pretty well, which is awesome. And that was my last really big speech. I do have one more next week for finals. Today it's a bit rainy, so I'm wearing this gray sweater from Brandy Melville, and then this black jacket from Hollister. Some light, they're like kind of distressed wash black jeans, and then my rain boots from Madewell. So that is the look for today. I'm going to volunteer at 12 today, and right now it's about 11. We got out of class a bit early. My friend is letting us borrow her car, which is awesome. So it'll be a lot easier to get there. We've been spending so much money on Ubers going everywhere around SLO. Today is Friday. I just had class for 2 hours. It's noon now, but I just went to the packaging center to pick up my Glossier package. I've been loving their exfoliating toner. This is the toner that I've been using for the last few months, and it is so great. I used to have like a bunch of small bumps on my forehead. I tried this new toner and I love it. So if you have that kind of issue going on, I would definitely recommend this because I've tried so many different types of things. This one really works. Last night I went to an exchange with one of the fraternities here, so it was Christmas themed. And that is like what I did all night. I totally forgot to vlog, I'm sorry. So you won't see any footage from that. But basically I just wore like an ugly Christmas sweater and a skirt and my rain boots. Alright, so I will see you guys in whatever I end up doing later. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing tonight. It's just a green little top, black skirt, and black booties. And then I have like star jewelry on. So star necklace and star earrings. I'm super excited for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys loved it. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!